G'day guys, so today we're back on the Calais Wagon project. Now, goals for today, we're going to build a dump pipe. So we've got two 4-inch metal bends there. Next up will be a air intake, so a bit of 4-inch aluminium off the front of the turbo to the air cleaner, followed by a wastegate. Okay, before we kick off today, here's a couple of photos from 2006. Now, the build plan for this car is to basically look the same way as it does there, save for a few mechanical changes. So there's no real power level or ET expectation with this car. I just want something that looks nice and runs faster than a 12.9, just so we compete in drag challenge. The HQ Wagon and the VC Commodore are more than fast enough to compete in drag challenge, but they don't have any safety gear, and I'm not prepared to chop them up and turn them into race cars. Okay, we're stuck waiting for the intercooler kit to turn up. So to start the fab work, and I left my bottle of gas at my mate's place, so I can't get that till tomorrow. So we're not going to be able to start tacking up the dump pipe. What I can do though is make an intake. So I've got this beautiful piece of 4-inch 90 bent steel, alloy, 2mm thick, or 1.6, something like that. That'll work. Just going to go basically something like that. All right, let's get to it. Exactly what that little loop's for. That is perfect. beauty. Well, get the welding. Just move all this shit out of the way. Yep. That's what happens when you build 3 cars at once. There's shit everywhere. Rightio, so finished up the dump pipe, she's all welded and done. All we're missing is the wideband sensor port to weld in. Plenty of clearance everywhere, not going to have any issues. This pipe will be getting thermal coated, so V-van fits nicely, it all tucks up good to keep the exhaust up high. And all back together. As you can see, there's plenty of room. It actually fills out the bay quite nicely, so pretty happy with that. Yep, still got to fix that hole in the guard. Having troubles trying to find a section out of a VL. There just doesn't seem to be many of them getting wrecked anymore. But I will get one and it will be fixed. So I've got to get a rig along because this car is heading to paint in February. There's our screamer. We've got to make the screamer pipe up. It'll run forward and kick up just over the mount and then go straight down. We ran out of room with the 4-inch downpipe to go backwards. Alright, well we've all but finished the hot side. There's a couple of things to go, so air cleaner's done. The oil feed, made an oil feed up, grabbed some fittings today and made that up. What else have we done? We got the turbo beanie that come in the mail today. I had to relocate the, I'll move that out. Had to relocate the oil fitting for the high pressure line for the pump. It's an airflow fitting. They actually make this fitting to suit this very application. It takes a -6 on this end and goes into the pump. It's got an O-ring seal and shit on it. Yeah, so, and then runs a -6, runs the same fitting on the other end of the rack. So you can run a AN line, just tuck it up wherever you want. I'm probably going to run hard line from here to the block and then around down near the bottom of the sump, and then I'll just run a joiner about 300mm long of braid between the two. That should make, so the line stays with the engine, should make the installation rather clean and keep it away from everything. Next up, finish these intercooler pipes. Still deciding whether to use 2.5-inch or 3-inch. I've got a bit of both here, so working clearance out. All we've got really left is, move that out of the way. Okay. Come on, come out of there. Needs a bit more lube, I think. Now, down in there, our screamer pipe. Need to make the screamer pipe, which is going to run forwards because we ran out of room, and it'll dump down just in front of the mount there. Around a 90-degree fitting, you can just see it down there for the oil drain back. This one runs a -12, so a 3/4 hose. We've got a -12 fitting on the turbo and a 3/4 hose into that 90-degree fitting. 90-degree fitting keeps it close to the block, and that'll allow the screamer to run past the block and forward, so nothing will get hot or cooked. That's another reason why we moved this line from the screamer and also from the intercooler pipe. Made intercooler pipes a little bit easier. All right.